Today we're going to talk about how to greet someone in English confidently and naturally. We all know that greeting someone can be a bit nerve-wracking, especially if English isn't your first language. You might feel anxious, afraid, or even forget what to say. Don't worry, these are common feelings, and we're here to help you overcome them. So, how can you overcome these problems? Here are some steps. 1. Practice regularly. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become. Try greeting people in English as often as you can. You can practice with friends, family, or even in front of a mirror. The key is consistency. The more you do it, the easier it will get. 2. Prepare in advance. Think about what you want to say before you meet someone. This can help reduce anxiety and make the conversation flow more smoothly. You can prepare a few simple greetings and responses to common questions so you're ready for any situation. 3. Stay calm and breathe. Take a deep breath and relax. It's natural to feel nervous, but remember, it's okay to make mistakes. Everyone does. If you stay calm, you'll be able to think more clearly and respond more confidently. 4. Use simple phrases. Start with simple greetings and then build up your vocabulary. Phrases like hi, hello, and how are you are easy to remember and use. Once you're comfortable with these, you can start incorporating more complex phrases and sentences into your greetings. Now, let's talk about how to greet a native speaker. Native speakers often use casual and friendly greetings. Here are a few examples. Hi, how's it going? Hey there, what's up? Good morning, how are you doing today? Let's look at a short conversation to see these greetings in action. Let's dive into our first dialogue.
Hi there. How's your day going?
Hey, it's been good so far. Busy though.
Oh, really? What have you been up to?
I started with a workout this morning.
Nice. What kind of workout?
I did some yoga. It felt great.
Sounds relaxing. Did you do anything else?
Yes, I had breakfast and then ran some errands.
Busy morning. I had a quick breakfast.
Got it. What's on your agenda today?
I'm working on a big project at work.
How's that going?
It's going well. Lots to do, though.
I understand. Do you have plans tonight?
Not really. I'll probably read some books.
Sounds like a good evening. Let's catch up later.
Definitely. Have a great rest of your day.
You too. Talk to you soon.
Great job listening to the first dialogue. Now let's dive into our second dialogue.
Hi there, my name is James. What's yours?
Hello, James. I'm Sarah. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Where are you from, Sarah?
I'm from New York. How about you?
I'm from a small town in Texas. What do you do?
I'm a student at the local high school. What about you?
I'm also a student. I'm in the 10th grade. What subjects do you enjoy?
I love English and art. I find them really fun. Do you have any favorite subjects?
I really like math and science. I love solving problems. What do you do in your free time?
In my free time, I enjoy painting and reading. I also like hanging out with my friends. What about you?
I like playing video games and playing soccer. It's great to meet someone with similar interests.
Absolutely. Maybe we can play a game together sometime?
That sounds like a great idea. Let's exchange contact information.
Sure. Here's my number.
Thanks, Sarah. I'll text you later. It was great meeting you.
You too, James. Looking forward to it.
And that's it for today's conversation. I hope you found this video helpful for practicing your English. Remember, the more you practice, the more fluent you become. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share for more English learning content. See you in the next video.